When measuring the military strength of a nation, several factors are considered: defense budget, manpower, training, and access to modern equipment. In this video, we count down the top 10 African countries with the strongest militaries based on these criteria. It's important to note that rankings may differ depending on sources and methods used, but today, we'll focus on the most recognized indicators of military power. Let's begin. At number 10 is Angola. With a defense budget exceeding $3.5 billion, Angola fields over 107,000 active troops and 500,000 reservists. Backed by modern fighter jets, tanks, and artillery, Angola's forces have seen action in both its own civil war and regional conflicts, including the DRC. Number 9 is Tanzania. With an annual budget of more than $600 million, Tanzania maintains 30,000 active soldiers and 50,000 reserves. Equipped with tanks, jets, and artillery, its forces are well regarded for their peacekeeping roles in Sudan and the DRC. At number 8, we have Kenya. Spending over $800 million annually, Kenya's 24,000 active troops and 5,000 reserves operate advanced military hardware. The Kenyan Defense Forces have played a critical role in stabilizing Somalia and South Sudan. Number 7 is Sudan. With a defense budget of $2.2 billion, Sudan commands 109,000 active troops and 150,000 reserves. Its military has been heavily engaged in internal conflicts, most notably in Darfur. Coming in at number 6 is Morocco. With a $3.4 billion budget, Morocco fields 200,000 active soldiers and 150,000 reserves. Its forces are backed by advanced jets, tanks, and artillery. The Moroccan army is well known for its role in the Western Sahara conflict. Number 5 is Ethiopia. Despite a relatively smaller budget of around $400 million, Ethiopia maintains one of Africa's largest armies, 180,000 active personnel and 150,000 reserves. Its forces have been engaged in the Ethiopian Civil War and operations in Somalia. At number 4, we have Nigeria. With a defense budget of $2.4 billion, Nigeria's army includes 120,000 active troops and 880,000 reserves. Its forces, equipped with modern hardware, continue to battle Boko Haram insurgents in the northeast. Number 3 is South Africa. With a defense budget of $4.3 billion, South Africa fields 78,000 active soldiers and 177,000 reserves. Its arsenal includes submarines, fighter jets, and tanks, much of it sourced from Russia. South Africa's forces are also active in regional peacekeeping, especially in Mozambique and the DRC. In second place is Algeria. With Africa's largest defense budget of $10 billion, Algeria commands 130,000 active troops and 150,000 reserves. Its massive arsenal of modern equipment includes some of the continent's most advanced fighter jets and tanks. Algeria's military has a long history of involvement in regional conflicts, including its civil war and operations in Mali. Finally, topping the list is Egypt. With a defense budget of $4.4 billion, Egypt maintains Africa's largest standing army, 450,000 active troops, and 800,000 reserves. Its forces boast submarines, fighter jets, tanks, and artillery. The Egyptian military has participated in numerous conflicts, from the Gulf War to current operations in Yemen. These are the top 10 strongest militaries in Africa, ranked by budget, manpower, and equipment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos exploring Africa's people, history, and culture.